Welcome into my office. Brian with you. Let's take a look at this very scarce 18th century atlas in a period original full mottled calf binding with the original title label. Look at the uneven placement of the gilt lettering. Wonderful, done by hand by a bookbinder. Small little chip at the base of the spine, but the leather is beautifully preserved. It's supple. Nice marbled end papers like so. The atlas is in fact complete. Very scarce, Madrid, 1795. And it has within it 22 folding engraved maps of the entire world, all with original hand color. They all fold out like so that if the atlas were to be placed on a table and somebody wanted to utilize the text within it, it would work in this way. Let us now thumb through the atlas and hopefully find every map within it and not miss any. The second one there, Europe, and the next one here is Portugal. And here we go. Next one, of course, will be Spain. Okay, France. All with very wide margins. Really a well-preserved example here. German Empire. Yeah. It's nice. The paper is clean. The book is tight and sound. Woodblock ornaments. There we are, Switzerland. This with lessons that go along. Yeah. Italy and the islands. Sardinia, Corsica, Sicily. There's the Low Countries, Belgium, and the Netherlands. There's just the United Provinces, or Holland, or the Netherlands. Here we have the British Isles, Ireland, Scotland, Wales, and England. And here we have Denmark, Kingdom of Denmark, I believe, at this time. And then we've got, oh, this is nice, yes. Yep. Iceland, Scandinavia, the coastline. Okay, and here we have Scandinavia again, Norway, Sweden, Finland. Yes. Okay. There we are, Russia in Europe. Okay. Okay. There we are, look at that. Looks like Poland, or the Polish region, northern Germany. Poland, yeah. Okay. Here we have Hungary and down to the Dalmatian coastline. I don't need to recite all the geographical locations because if you're watching this video at this point, I think you can recognize the geography. But there's the Balkans and Turkey and so on. Black Sea, and there is Asia. That's interesting. Yeah, a little outline there, what probably is Company's Land, an apocryphal land north of Japan, between the Asiatic Japanese islands and the coast of North America. That's an interesting map of Africa. Yep. And let's see here. There we are. The final map is of the Americas, like so. And now let's just get to the end like this. There is an index followed by this little section here on spheres and globes. And here we have an armillary sphere like this. And we also have this system, this diagram of different solar type systems or orbits and rotations, systems according to, for instance, Tycho Brahe and so on, like this. And now you have seen, indeed, the entire atlas, and here are the contents, and it is complete. Lovely, scarce book, and it is available now online from me, Brian DiMambro.